Hello friends, I'm back. First, please listen to this song I created. It's 100% free.
We were fire, now only ashes remain. Your shadow lingers, but you don't say my name. Love turned to silence, I can't find the way. Still I ache for you, every night, every day.
I really hope you'll listen and enjoy. Now, let me show you step by step how I made it for free. Sign up with Musicful. This is the tool I use to create music without any cost. Prepare lyrics. I generated my lyrics using ChatGPT and then pasted them into Musicful. Select music elements. Inside Musicful, I chose the genre, mood, voice, instruments, and style for the track. You can also generate lyrics directly in the tool if you want. Choose vocalist gender. You can select whether you want a male or female vocalist. Optional features. Adding extra vibes requires an upgrade, but the free version still works great. Create the song. After setting everything, I generated the song. Musicful gave me 2 different versions to choose from. Honestly, I found this tool amazing, even better than Suno in many ways. What's great is that I had zero knowledge about song creation, yet I was able to end up with something I'm really proud of. Note, you can't download the songs directly from Musicful, but it's still an excellent free platform. Thanks for listening. Please share this with your friends.